Hey everybody, second day, and these are the views today. No rain, but a lot of fog and a lot of dew, so need to take it slow. Kind of tough. Last year 3 days was enough for me to realize I want to keep doing, so today is the second day. I would like to turn back, but I'm not. Try to make it one more day to push myself, so I'll enjoy foggy day. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Let's keep going. Happy hiking. Here we are, second day. I did 14 miles today, but didn't get to the campsite. I had to make a little campsite here on my own. Remember, I'm doing it for fundraising for multiple sclerosis, so go ahead and hit the link on the bottom of the video and donate. Hey everybody, so met my first PCT hiker like an hour ago, so that was kind of cool. He's done almost all of it. He skipped a couple of the sections because of the snow condition, but he said he'll be back. That's kind of cool. I hope he's gonna camp where I'm gonna camp, because I don't want to camp alone. So there was a Trail Magic little box in there. That was cool. That's why I kind of miss right now on the trail, but eating beef jerky and tortillas all the time. You need something fresh, and I got me an orange. I threw a bag of beef jerky in there, so I don't feel bad taking it. Anyway, I have 2.5 miles to go for my campsite, and I'll see you there. Happy hiking. Good morning. It is 6:30, and it's been raining all night, so I don't really want to wake up, but I have to. Hey my friends, so this is 4th day. I've been going uphill most of the time today, so haven't really recorded anything, but wow, there's emotions, man. Every time I go uphill, I'm thinking to quit on the next stop, and then downhill I want to keep going, and like emotions are it's like a mountain, up and down, so I will keep going. I know I'm hiking my own hike, and I can stop anytime I want to or need to, but because I'm doing it for fundraising, it kind of pushes me a little more. So I will keep pushing myself as much as I can, but stick with me. And 4th day, so it's not too bad. But anyway, keep on hiking. Hey everybody, so day 4. Every day, 100 times I'm thinking turning around, but I set up my little hammock and getting ready to go to bed. I know it's only 6 o'clock, but I just wanted to say what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna have ice cream. See? I thought I'm gonna stay away from ice cream for 30 days, but I don't know if I can. So I guess it's a space ice cream. Let's see what it tastes like. Probably all smushed up, but oh, look at that. Even in a little paper. Smells good. Want to smell that? Smells like vanilla ice cream. don't know if it's supposed to be all dried up, but it tastes good anyway. Anything on the... I think it's supposed to feel cold. But it tastes like ice cream. Your ice cream may be a little broken. That's okay. It actually says that in here. Right here. Mine is not broken, but that's good. Yeah, so tomorrow, day 5. Still keep going. I have a couple blisters. Something gross I'm gonna show you. Look at that big old blister right here. The other one already busted open, but it is what it is. Good night, everybody.